Amazon Flex Driver Sign Up Tutorial. If you want to sign up as an Amazon Flex driver, first you download the Amazon Flex application and you log in to your normal Amazon account if you have them. After you log into your normal Amazon account, it will ask us to get started. So here you'll have to have these requirements: 21 years or older if you are, check that. Have a 4-door mid-size sedan or larger vehicle like an SUV, check that. Valid driver's license, then also valid social security number, auto insurance, that means your local requirements, bank account, either checkings or savings. These are the requirements you need to have. Then tap on get started. Once you tap on get started, it's going to ask us for a zip code as to where we want to deliver. So just go ahead and then make sure to type in the zip code of the place. If it's New York, find your New York zip code. If it's Arkansas, find Arkansas zip code and select the days that you want to deliver, right? So just select the days that you are willing to deliver and then you just tap on the next button over there. So once you've done that, you'll be able to tap on the next button. Then when you do that, select the time that you want to deliver, of course. So once you've selected your time, and you can click on the heart icon, you just tap on next, select the hours that you want to deliver per week. So in a week, if you want to deliver for more than 31 hours, you can select that. And all of those different years, select the vehicle, so which year's model it is, select the make option right over here, which brand it is right there, and you can also select the model, you can also select the fuel type. Then after that, confirm that this is the vehicle I plan to use to deliver. Then tap on continue. A couple of more information on the process. So after you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then fill out the details and sign up for Amazon Flex driver. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.